Hi and welcome back to 14th video of this Java programming series. In this video we will be discussing on method overriding. So what is method overriding? There is a method in a base class and that is already defined there in base class. Few lines of code was there in base class. So there will be a situation where I need to execute the base class method and also add a few more lines to base class method without disturbing that base class method. So in that scenario, redefining a base class method in derived class is called as method overriding. So I will show you an example. We will create a class named parent. So inside that parent class, we have method and we have already defined also. Right. So consider this single line as uh, multiple lines of some concepts in this method. So we have a parent class. We have a class named parent, and we have a method inside that. Now we will inherit that parent class to main class. Extends parent. So after extending that parent class, we already told, right? Extending parent to main class means that a copy of this method variable anything available in the parent class will be present in derived class also. So when we run this called method, from parent class message will be displayed, but I need to add few more lines to the parent class method but without disturbing this setup and structure. So in this scenario there is something called method overriding where I will redefine the method of parent class in derived class. Void called. So I'm writing a method with the same name as that of parent class method. For the same line of code, initially we got the responses from parent class. Now I have redefined method called in derived class, which is already present in main class, parent class, but we have redefined here. So now when we try executing m.called, we will check whether this method is called or parent class method is called. So it is understood that whenever we redefine a parent class method in a derived class, from that point of time, derived class redefined method will be called. But what if I need to call parent class method also? That is a keyword called super dot called which will call method present in the super class. So now the output will be from derived class and then it will go to called method from the parent class and then print it will print parent class. So this is the concept of method overriding. Redefining a base class method in a derived class is called as method overriding. I think this video is useful. In case you have any queries, you can leave comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.